Hello everyone, my name is Jorge, I am from Chihuahua, Mexico, and today I'm going to talk about automation inside of a DAW. For this exercise, I'm going to work inside of Logic Pro. Okay, so let's apply some automation to this track here called a pop loop. Let me zoom in a little bit. And we zoom in a little bit. There you go. So I want to see the mixer, which button is down here. With the track selected, let's see some of the mixer's buttons. So here in the mixer, we have the fader, the panning knob, and right on top of the panning knob we have the automation button, which has different functions. When you open a new project, the default function will be the off function, leaving off all automation. Then you have read, touch, latch, and write options. In Logic Pro, you don't need to have the recording on to actually record automation. So let's explore these buttons. Let's start with latch. The latch button lets me record some automation. What I want to do to this track is I want first to pan it all the way to the left and then fade it out. Let me pause. So here, first I can pan it all the way to the left, and then I want it to fade out. I think I got it. I stop the playback, go back and see if my automation was recorded. Actually, there you can see I'm not moving anything, and the panning button went all the way to the left, then it fades out. The latch mode of automation, what it does, it records a new automation and leaves anything just as you left it at the end. In the other hand, we also have here the touch function. With the touch function, what's going to happen here is that if I release any knob or the fader, it will automatically go back to its original spot. Let me show you here. I'm going to play it back, and then I want to fade out, and it jumps back to its place. You can see that my previously recording of the panning moved at the same time because it also respects the previous automation. It works as an override or overdubbing. We also have the right button, and what this right button does is, as it says here in this warning, it erases multiple parameters in one go without touching anything. So if I have the right button on and I play back, it's going to forget the automation I did in both the touch and the latch modes. If I want to just check it out, I go to the read mode, and this way I only see everything that was previously automated. If I think this works fine with me, I leave the read button on, the read mode on, and it will stay that way until the final export. Here's the panning, the fade out, which happens to match my fade out of the song. If I want to erase everything, I'll go to the off function. There's no automation here. The fader's down, it stays that way. If I fade in, it's always in this position. But if I go back to the read mode, it remembers what I have previously done. Panning and fading out. Well, this is it for this topic of automation. I hope you liked it. And if I was wrong at any information, please let me know. Happy to be still on this course. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.